Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Lauren. I have sort of an impromptu video. I typically only post on the weekend, but I needed to show you these two items because I just got them and they are amazing, and one of them is a new markdown. So I felt like I need to film this and get this up ASAP. So if you want to pick up this item, you could also get it on a sale. So I'm sorry, I'm out of breath because I'm really excited and I'm trying to film this fast before the sun sets. So like I said, I got two items. I picked both of them up from Neiman Marcus. I haven't been to a Neiman Marcus store in so long, and it's because of COVID. So the last time I went was, oh my gosh, back when in San Francisco. I went with my husband, and I remember because I picked up my niece this cute little jumpsuit. And I remember when we went to the store, my husband was like, oh my gosh, he's like, this store is beautiful. I was like, I know. So like I said, we don't have any here in Canada, but what's really cool is now they work with border free. So prior to that, I remember ordering and I'd have to ship it to a US, like a US address, like a pickup post, like a post office, and I'd have to drive across the border and go and get the item. But now they work with border free, and so border free is really cool because it includes like all the taxes, customs, duties, and everything in the final price. So basically what you see is what you pay, which is really nice, and it's all in Canadian dollars. So I've been so happy with them. I did have like a little bit of a snafu when I originally ordered one of the pieces, and I went on to live chat, and the person that helped me through Neiman Marcus was like super helpful. They were able to cancel my order and then reorder in the correct size because I was a dummy and I didn't do it correctly the first time. So I had a really good experience shopping through them. Let's just get into it because I'm gonna keep talking forever. But I got a handbag by Coach. And this is not something that's sort of new. This handbag, maybe you can guess right now what it is by the size of it, but this handbag sort of gained popularity, I'd say, last year. And I always loved it, but there was never a color that I was really sort of into, I guess you would say. But recently I was on Purse Forum and I saw this whole thing, this article about purple handbags for fall, and I knew I needed to add a purple handbag. This is the Coach Pillow Tabby. Oh my gosh. In the size 18, or also known as the mini size, in this color. Let me tell you, when I saw this, I almost like had a heart attack. Okay, that's nothing to joke about, but my jaw dropped because I had never seen this color before. I'd seen a darker purple, but I hadn't seen this specific color. This color is called Ice Purple, and it is so beautiful. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but it is gorgeous. So it is this beautiful kind of lilac purple color, and then it has the pewter hardware, which I also love. I've seen a lot of them with the gold hardware, and while I do love gold hardware, I didn't specifically like it in the colorways that it came in, but the pewter hardware, yes, that is 100% yes for me. And then of course it came with the strap, and the strap is adjustable. I haven't even opened this yet. Like, this is how much this is kind of like new to me. I'm super excited too. This just came in the mail, and then it has the authenticity codes and the paperwork and everything like that. And then everything was packaged really nicely as well. Obviously brand new. Sometimes when you order handbags, you like from different department stores, you always wonder, am I getting like one that was on the floor, or am I getting a brand new one? But this one is obviously brand new because it has all of that stuff, the protector on it. So I'm going to quickly put this on and I'm going to show you it because I am so over the moon with this handbag. I'm just in love with it. It's such a sweet color, but there is a pocket on the back, and then there is 2 compartments here, so I like that. So while it is like a small mini bag, you're able to keep items separate and organized. So there's 2 compartments there, and then that's it, right? I mean, it's a mini bag. It's not gonna have a ton of space, but really quickly, I do have the iPhone 11, which is also like this purple, and it fits in. So there you go. I did also bring a couple of other items. So I've been using this little Kirigami, the smallest one, as my card holder. I have my keys, and then I also have my car key, which I'll slip in, and then I'm gonna put in as well a lip balm here. So I mean, these are essentials that I feel like I would take with me, and let's hope and pray it closes. And it does. So there you go. And it's so cute because you can either just carry it on the crook of your arm. You definitely couldn't wear it as like a shoulder bag. It's too small for that. So this is the first item that I picked up, and I'm so excited to add her to my purse collection. I think I might actually use her tomorrow when I go out. The price point of this, I should also let you know, because it is a new markdown. So definitely go check it out. It was, so it's $296 US. I think, if I can remember, because I'm just on the site itself, this came to, I think it was 400 Canadian, just over 400 Canadian. And then they include the duties and the taxes. So I think it was just like under $500 for this. So, I mean, I searched this handbag up, and on other sites, it's coming up full price. So that's why I feel like you need to go to Neiman Marcus now and check this out, because the color of this is beautiful. The next item I picked up is by Uggs. So I have never been an Ugg girl, to be honest. I don't know what it is. It's just the style has never really been me. I'd much prefer just to wear a pair of sneakers than like the traditional kind of Ugg boots. But when I saw these, I knew I had to get them. So these are packaging here. It just came with, I don't know, I think this is like how to care for your Uggs, which I should probably read, like I said. Oh yeah, how to care for them, because I've never had a pair of Uggs before. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are my first time seeing these too, because like I said, I just got this. These are called the Ugg Tasman, I believe. Yeah, these are the Tasman. So they also had the Taz, which was the platform. So I was trying to go in between the platform or like the regular slippers, and I just decided to go for these. So they're just like black suede. What's that? Oh, it's just like a fuzzy. They're just black suede, and then it has this kind of braided detail, which I think is super cool. And then the inside is lined in kind of, I guess, the signature Ugg fur, which is supposed to be very comfortable. So hopefully these fit. I got these in a size 38, which is an 8. Oh no, these are a size 8, euro 39. So when I was looking at the size guide, people were saying that this fit a little bit smaller and to size up. Camera died, so I think I was talking about the fit, but while I briefly charged my camera, I was able to try them on, and people were right in the reviews. So they had said size up because of the band here, because this is kind of stiff, and the last thing you want is like this band kind of like really rubbing in. So like I said, I got a size 8. I'm generally like a 7, a 7.5, I would say, and these fit perfectly. And so you can also wear socks with these. I don't know if I will. I think more people were saying that you're supposed to wear them without, but I think I'm planning on wearing these outside, not as like inside slippers. So I will probably wear some socks, more for like aesthetics, I would say, with these, but they are just so cute. And again, this detailing here just adds something a little bit different and just makes them a little bit cooler. It does come in that traditional kind of beige tan color as well, and then the part here is red, but like I said earlier, I like to wear all black, so I just felt like an all black outfit like this, kind of what I'm wearing now, which are like leggings and like a puffer vest or something, I think would just make such a cute outfit to sort of, you know, go run errands in. And these are comfortable, so I get the hype about Uggs now, okay? I know. I think I get way more wear out of these than the regular boots, just based on my personal style. I think price too is pretty good. They're like $140 Canadian, which I think is fairly standard. But if you sign up for Neiman Marcus, you can also get, I think it's 10% off your first order. In Canada, it's 15% off in the States, I believe. So definitely take advantage of that coupon as well, or that discount as well. Those are the two items I picked up, and I'm so happy with both of them, especially that Coach bag. Like, if you are looking for a handbag, all leather, under $500 Canadian, well-made, in a beautiful lilac, then you need to check that out, because I don't know how long that's gonna stay in stock for. And then these are like new go-tos. I think I'll get a pair to wear inside. And maybe my husband. I just feel like they're really well-made. So I get the Ugg hype now, everybody. I get it. So can't wait to style these. But if you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.